Geek Wisdom.
Hi everyone, and for this tutorial I'm going to show you about the calendar in SharePoint 2016. So here you'll see I'll have a little team calendar, and I can just click on the add button that's on the calendar on the main page, and I have a little spot that I can enter the title of the event. So I might just put something like cal test item and a location, and you can pick a category, like you could decide it's a holiday. So let's say, for example, you wanted to have your team list all of their in-out schedule on that calendar on the main page of your site. This would be a good way of putting that calendar on the site, and then everybody could add their times that they're away, and everybody could easily go to the site and see if they're there. So that's one opportunity you could use for a team calendar on your SharePoint 2016 site. So in this example, I just did a little test item, but you could create your own calendar. Thank you very much.